Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the stock image license and purpose because rights drive the workflow. Open the file directly in Photoshop or drag it into a new document sized to your final output. Once done, check resolution and color profile, 300 dpi for print, sRGB for web, so colors and sharpness behave predictably. Make a duplicate layer immediately and name it, then hide the background copy. This preserves the original and gives you a sandbox to work from without risk. Next, you extract and refine the subject, then harmonize it with your composition. Use Select Subject or the Pen tool for accuracy. Refine edges with Select and Mask and output as a new layer with Mask. Clean backgrounds with Content-Aware Fill or Clone Stamp, then fix imperfections using the Healing Brush. Once clean, match tones using Curves, Color Balance, and Camera Raw Filter. Make global adjustments first, then apply selective layer masks so changes affect only the needed areas. Finally, integrate the image and prepare delivery. Position and scale with Transform while holding Shift if needed for constraints. Use soft masks and 0.5 to 2px feather to blend edges naturally. Add subtle shadow or highlights on separate layers to ground elements, then append a high-pass sharpening layer clipped to the subject. Save a layered PSD with embedded profile and license text in metadata. Export final files in required formats and double-check composition at 100% before handing off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.